Okay, we're trying to hail a taxi in New York. It's a very humbling experience. Nobody cares about me. I am not a snowflake. Woo. Nope. This guy, no. Over here. No. We'll get it. We'll get it. Am I doing something wrong? Because I see empty cabs. Okay, we're doing this. Flag him. Let's get one. No, that's it. That's it. No. How about this one? No. 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 Oh, there's the supermoon. Oh, how about this? This guy right here. This one. Nobody needs it. Nobody. There are no cabs. That guy's just gonna hit me. Okay. Sorry. How about this guy right here? Are you a taxi? Okay. Okay. All right. How's it going?
Where do you go?
West 70th.
At what?
The West End.
40.
Sorry?
$40.
No. Okay. Good night. What the hell just happened? No, I cannot get a taxi. Here, how about this guy? This guy looks good. Okay, there we go. We're gonna get one. No. So it seems that you can't get a taxi. It's been 10 minutes. I have not been able to get a taxi yet. I almost got kidnapped, but that's an issue. No taxis? How about this guy? No, this guy's gonna run me over too. How do I know what taxis are open?
It's got a light on the roof.
So this guy's got a light on the roof, right?
It's not on, it's not on.
Okay, I'll get it. Are we getting one here? Yes. Yes. No. What did I do? I did. Oh gosh, there's people in that taxi. This guy? Son of a gun. I'm so tired. So hungry. Just want to eat dinner. Here we go. Getting a taxi. Right now. Here. Who's outside? Someone's coming? Taxi? I'll get a taxi one of these days. It's gonna happen. I see one right here. Gotta stay optimistic. It has been day 1 in New York City and I have not found taxi cab. Oh, no. Holy sweet, merciful goodness. Okay, my food is cold. I believe it's actually rotting right now. Oh, taxi cab! Oh, taxi! All I want for Christmas is a taxi. No, this guy? No. How about this guy? Oh, no, this guy's gonna kill me. No. There's a policeman coming for me. That'll be good. I'm never getting home. Oh gosh, now something bad is gonna happen. I'm competing with someone behind me. It's not gonna happen. I'm getting the taxi. If that young lady gets a taxi behind me, before me, I'm gonna be a little cold. Well, I may have to see that dog. Go home. She got one. What the heck, man? What the heck? You took my taxi! Okay, I'm joking. They think I'm crazy. I'm so cold. I just want to eat my dinner. I'm never gonna get a taxi. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die on the New York streets. Oh dear God. Upper West Side. I guess I'm not going far enough. I see what's happening. I'm getting shut out. Do the taxis not pick you up if they don't think you're going far enough?
They should. Some taxis are just like that.
Bastards. I've been dancing for 25 minutes now. How long does it typically take to get a taxi here? Do I look bad? Maybe I look dangerous. Oh, good. Okay. I'm not answering the question where I'm going. He's not even gonna ask me. What the hell is going on here?
Can I go there on the west side?
Yeah.
Then you might want to go 180 hours because these are all those downhills. They have to turn to the
That's too technical.
Walk that way.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, that fine gentleman told me to go one street down because it would be faster and cheaper to go to the Upper West Side. I think he was lying so that he could get the taxi faster than me. I'm so cold, I'm so hungry. I just need to get home. So cold, so cold. Are you trying to get a taxi? Okay, then I'm gonna stand in front of you. The sewer smells terrible. Just a taxi, just a taxi. New York City, how hard is it to get a taxi? This is not a taxi. This is a person who's indecisive in their driving. It's never gonna happen. I'm clearly not getting home tonight. Oh geez, someone's just been shot. Oh my goodness, someone just took the cab in front of us.